In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, today, my dear friends, how are you doing? Absolutely fantastic. So, we are going to start our class today. In Spoken English class morning session at Genius Institute Lahore, we're going to make another video regarding new reductions. So, we have some choices today, some more reductions. They are would you, would you, would you, would you, could you, do you, dear, come on, some more. So these are the major reductions we're going to use. And, okay, so would you, speak aloud please. Would you, could you, do you, dear, and come on, some more. These are the reductions under focus today in the class of Spoken English at Genius Institute Lahore. So let's get started. I have given some sentences. For example, would you do me a favor? Now let's try to understand why do we use would you first. would you को इस्तेमाल will you भी इस्तेमाल यहां किया जा सकता है, लेकिन जुमले को पोलाइट बनाने के लिए will की पोलाइट फॉर्म would है. वैसे पास्ट फॉर्म भी है, लेकिन पोलाइटली जुमले में इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है would को. would you do me a favor? क्या मुझे आप फेवर देंगे? Alright, so and could you is also it's also a polite request for a favor, or both choices are polite. Polite ways to ask somebody to do something. कुछ काम करवाने के लिए या कहने के लिए polite way से आप दोनों को इस्तेमाल कर सकती हैं, but with a little bit of difference. Would you asking for a polite favor? Would you do me a favor? Okay, some more sentences, please. Would you like to start from would you?
Would you like some juice?
Would you like some orange juice? Would you like some mango juice?
Would you have some coffee or tea?
Would you like coffee or tea? Yeah, would you prefer coffee or tea? What would you prefer? What would you prefer? Prefer, not prefer. Prefer. G, very good sentences.
Would you mind sharing your thoughts?
Would you mind sharing? Would you mind share? Would you mind? क्या बुरा महसूस तो नहीं करेंगे? Sharing, mind पर first from ing लगा रहे हैं हम. Would you mind sharing your thoughts? शाबाश. Excellent sentence.
Would you mind sharing your thoughts on this matter? And would you help me with the homework?
Would you help me with the homework? क्या मुझे homework के साथ मदद करेंगे आप? Would you help? Would you के बाद full first form इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं? Would you help me with the homework? गागी गे की सेंस ही बन रही है यहाँ भी. Will की बजाय would का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं आप जुमले को polite बनाने के लिए. Yes, please.
Would you explain the rules for admission?
Would you explain the rules for the admission?
Would you like the box of candy?
Would you like the box of candy? Why not? Why do you like the box of chocolates instead? Not candy, I beg your pardon. Yes, please.
What would you like to do?
What would you like to do?
For your birthday?
Oh my God, would you like to do for your birthday party? क्या करना चाहेंगे? What would you like? What would you like? Right. Any more sentences?
Yes. Would you like to join us for your dinner?
Would you like to join us for the dinner? क्या आप dinner के लिए excellent sentences. शाबाश.
Would you do me a give of? Would you do me?
Would you give me?
Give of advice?
Would you give me some tips of IELTS? शाबाश. क्या मुझे IELTS के लिए कुछ tips देंगे? That's great. Excellent sentence, please. Now, the next one is could you? Could you polite request के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और could you could in fact ability के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, या can की जगह पर आप could का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. Can की जगह पर can भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है for a simple sentence ability के लिए, लेकिन यहां could का इस्तेमाल polite request के लिए हो रहा है. Excuse me, Ahmed भाई, please. Could you polite request के लिए could you lend me $50? क्या मुझे $50 दे सकते हैं? Right. या ability की बात हो रही है. Could you lend me $50? Right. Let's make some more sentences, please.
Could you clarify your expectations?
Could you?
Clarify your expectations.
Sorry, could you को कौन सा वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया? verify.
Clarify.
Would you clarify your expectations? क्या आप अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन को क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हैं कि आपने मुझसे क्या क्या तवक्को कर लिया है? माय गॉड! और तवक्कुआत वो होती हैं जो नहीं होनी चाहिए. हमारी 50, 60, 70% प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन ये है कि हम किसी से कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट ना करें. एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर रियली गिविंग अस अ टफ टाइम. जब पूरी नहीं होती, परेशानी होती है. नो एक्सपेक्टेशंस, नो टेंशंस. All right, solution. Please, hello.
Could you provide some feedback on this proposal?
Would you provide me some feedback on this proposal? Sure. Could you provide me? क्या आप provide कर सकते हैं कुछ feedback on this proposal? शाबाश.
Could you understand me this complex topic?
Could you understand this complex topic? क्या आप इस मुश्किल मसले को समझ सकते हैं? Right?
Could you pass the paper, please?
Could you pass the paper? कितना अच्छा सेंटेंस है. Give me की बजाय इन्होंने pass की इस्तेमाल किया है. Could you pass me the paper, please? क्या मुझे दे सकते हैं? Could you pass me the salt, please? क्या मुझे नमक पकड़ा सकते हैं? Right?
Could you let me know when the meeting starts?
Could you let me know when the meeting starts? Let me को भी एक हमारे पास डबल रिडक्शन का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. Could you let me know when the meeting starts? शाबाश. डबल रिडक्शन के साथ सेंटेंस बनाया कि बता सकते हैं कब मीटिंग शुरू होगी. राइट, एक्सीलेंट. द नेक्स्ट वन प्लीज.
Could you listen to my speech and give me feedback?
Could you listen to my speech and give me the feedback? Excellent sentence. Could you listen to my speech and give me the feedback? Excellent examples from the student side of the students. Okay, we're going to have the new one. Dear, do you like Chinese food? Is my example sentence. Do you like Chinese food? क्या आप Chinese food? Do you like Chinese cuisine भी हो सकता है. क्या आप Chinese cuisine पसंद करते हैं? Do you like? Right?
Do you like playing video games?
Do you like playing? Like के बाद excellent. First form के साथ ing लगाना like के बाद. Do you like playing video games? क्या आप वीडियो गेम खेलना पसंद करते हैं?
Do you like listening to music?
Do you like listening to music? शाबाश. जी. The next one.
Do you know any fun facts about animals?
Do you know any fun facts about animals? क्या आप fun facts जानते हैं animals के बारे में?
Do you know any good recipe for homemade pizza?
Do you know any mouth-watering homemade pizza? अगर कुछ अच्छा बना सके तो. So do you know any recipe for the homemade pizza? Pizza, not pizza. Pizza. All right, shabash.
Do you have the ability to analyze complex literary work?
Do you have the ability to analyze the literary work? Excellent sentence. Literature का काम जानने क्या आपके पास experience? What do you have?
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel? क्या आप पसंद करते हैं travel करना? Dear.
Do you have special?
Not do you. Dear.
Do you have special talent or skills?
Do you have fashion talent?
Or any skills?
Or any skills? Excellent.
Do you agree with me?
Do you agree with me? I absolutely agree with you. Do you agree with me? क्या मेरे साथ इत्तेफाक करते हैं? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? क्या मेरे साथ अदम इत्तेफाक करते हैं? इख्तलाफ करते हैं? All right. Dear, the next, the fourth one is come on. Come on. Come on. You're so slow. Come on, hurry up. Jaldi karo. Look sharp. Jaldi karo. Hurry up. Jaldi karo. Yes, please. Come on.
Come on, wake up. Breakfast is ready.
Come on. Wake up. उठ जाइए. Rise and shine. उठ के चमके और the breakfast is ready. खाना तैयार है. नाश्ता तैयार है. Yes, please.
Come on. It's time we left.
Come on. It's a time to leave. और आ जाइए. टाइम जाने का, रुखसत होने का आ गया. जी प्लीज.
Come on, let's meet new people.
Come on, let's meet new people. आइए नए लोगों से मुलाकात करते हैं.
Come on, let's go on adventure and make some amazing memories together.
Oh my God! Come on, let's go on the adventure and make some amazing memories. Excellent sentence. Shabash.
Come on, we work together.
Come on, we work together. हम इकट्ठे काम करते हैं. Yes, please.
Come on, let's go. What's the hold up?
Come on, let's go. What's the hold up? रुकावट क्या है? मजबूरी क्या है? आइए चलते हैं. All right, come on. The last one is going to be about some more. I need some more time to decide. मुझे कुछ decide करने के लिए कुछ मजीद वक्त चाहिए. Yes, please. Some more.
I need some more feedback.
I may need some more
Feedback.
feedback. मुझे कुछ मजीद feedback चाहिए इस्लाह करने के लिए. Right.
He needs some more money to buy iPhone.
He needs some more money to buy a phone. iPhone 15 Pro Max हो तो फिर तो पहले पैसे डालने ही पड़ेंगे आपको ज़्यादा सारे.
I need some more investigation.
I need some more investigation. Investigative journalist को तो देखो जरा. So he needs some more investigation. उसे कुछ मज़ीद investigation की ज़रूरत है. So these are the interesting words which we have completed today. Would you, would you? Could you, could you? To you, dear. Come on, come on. Some more, some more. Excellent work. Thank you very much, everybody. Please give a big round of applause for everybody here in the class. Thank you.